स्वागतं। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम्। अस्तु, इदानीं गत कक्ष्यायां वयं श्चुत्वसन्धेः ज्ञानं प्राप्तवन्तः। तत्पूर्वं किञ्चित् व्यञ्जनसन्धीनाम् आपाततः ज्ञानम् अपि प्राप्तवन्तः कक्ष्यायाः प्रारम्भे गत वासरस्य तृतीयकक्ष्यायाम्। अद्य किञ्चित् श्चुत्वसन्धेः परिचयं पुनः सूक्ष्मतया प्राप्त्वा श्टुत्वसन्धेः विषयं ज्ञास्यामः। श्टुत्वसन्धि इत्यत्र नामधेयम् अतिमुख्यं। श्चुत्व इत्यस्य शकारस्य चकारस्य स चु इति श्चु इति अस्ति किल, तद् बहु गहनम्। एवमेव श्टुत्वम् इत्यत्र षकारः टकारः अथवा टुकारः मुख्यं। शुकारेण श अक्षरं, चु इति समूहेन च छ झ झ ञ एतेषां सूचना तत्र। श्चुत्वसन्धेः प्रसक्तिः कथं? यदा सकारः अथवा तवर्गाक्षरः स्तु अक्षरः स्तुतिः इति यत्र अस्ति स्तु सकारः तवर्गाक्षरः यदा शकारचवर्गयोः अक्षरयोः समीपे भवति, पदान्ते एतत् स्यात्, नूतनपदस्य प्रारम्भे एतत् स्यात् अथवा भिन्नरीत्या अपि स्यात्। सामान्यतया पदान्ते स्तु नूतनपदस्य अग्रे श्चु इति सामान्य उदाहरणानि लोके। तदा सकारतवर्गयोः अक्षरयोः परिवर्तनं सञ्जायते। कथं परिवर्त्यते? सकारः शकारेण रिप्लेस् आदेशः भवति। शकारस्य आदेशः सकारस्य स्थाने, एवमेव तकारस्य स्थाने चकारस्य, थकारस्य स्थाने छकारस्य, एवमेव क्रमशः सम्भवति। तु you will end up hearing sh plus ch plus ch or sh plus cha. See, it need not always be sh plus ch. Any of these second column letters can appear as the influencer. So this middle column, we call it the nimitta, is the causer of the sandhi. The other cause is the presence of a stu, but the stu is replaced by schu. So not only this stu column is a nimitta, it is also the entity that gets replaced by the adesha, which happens to be actually schu column, except in the adesha column we cannot pick any letter, we have to pick the corresponding letter. So s plus ch gives sh plus ch. Okay, s plus ch gives sh plus ch. T plus cha gives th plus ch gives ch plus ch. Okay, so old column remains, the right side, the stu column what existed before the sandhi karya remains. The stu column is replaced with the stu, but corresponding, not, it is not influenced, at least immediately due to this sandhi, it is not influenced by which is the letter afterwards. It is only influenced by which of any of these. Okay, so remember that. I hope I am conveying the stuff. For example, here you can see in this some of these example, th plus ch plus ta replaced with cha, but sha remains as is. Similarly in some other places. Okay, in this case sakara plus shakara, shakara plus shakara, it looks like there is a duplicate because the replacement is same as the influencer. Okay, all right, so that was chutva sandhi. Now having revised that, we did some exercises also. We move to shtutva. Now once you know shtutva, shtutva is a simple game. So knowing the mechanism of shtutva helps you to do shtutva. Again in shtutva, the influencer is a shtu letter and the influenced is a stu letter. See, Sakara and Tavargakshara. So the influenced party is a stu letter and the influencer is a stu letter. The stu letter remains as is, but the stu letter get replaced by a new stu letter. So the influencer brings the stu to the his own category, stu category, except it is not the same letter as what was the influencer. It is the same group. That's all. But the corresponding. So Sakara will change to Shakara, Takara to Takara, and so on and so forth. Nakara with Nakara. Okay. You will find not too many examples of all the cases here, but whatever is most popularly present in the Loka, they have not gone into the, or for example, if you go inside the construction of Prakriti plus Pratyaya of Namapada, Kriyapada, etc., then you will get some of these deeper sandhis happening in the Prakriya. So Panini is not only worried about what we use after the words are generated. He is worried about how the words are generated. So his rules are for both his own word generator use and for us in the Loka at the sentence level. Okay. So since Samskrita Bharati is focused more on the sentence level, they inevitably here and there they try to take us into the deeper nether world of word generation and where sandhis apply. When there are some simple enough cases that take us there, but otherwise they try to stay at the sentence level. Is there a question, Mahodaya? Madhav Shenaivarya, is there a question? Okay, I'll mute everyone. Okay, sorry, I just muted. I didn't realize there was a question or not. Okay, so was there a question, Varya?
No, I just joined, Mahodaya. Sorry.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so where were we? I got lost a little bit. Yeah, so that was the summary of the Shtutva about what Samskrita Bharati's example. So one of the students was asking why the same things are coming there, why not some other combinations? Because they are trying to keep us to the Laukika examples. Huh? So let us, what you call, not dig so deep at this level. When you get into a higher level and go into Ashtadhyayi studies, etc., then you will actually see some of the more corner cases of this manifest themselves. Okay, and also like I told you, some of these chutva, shtutva, and can't be just treated alone. In Swarasandhis, we had this luxury more or less that each was like an independent walled off domain. You can talk of guna without worrying about vriddhi. You can talk of vriddhi without worrying about yanta vahanta, etc. Some sandhis had relationship because, for example, yalopa valopa of yanta vahanta is after yanta vahanta. Correct? We knew that. But otherwise, the sandhis were fairly walled off. But here you will find that something starts and a chain reaction ensues, like a atomic chain. So you start with some shtutva, then we move on to chatva, like that things proceed in a certain krama. There is a chain reaction between these and these. Later on, Samskrit Bharati also here and there comments, but I will try to show some chain reaction sandhis also as I teach them. Okay. So remember that that's actually makes this Vyanjana Sandhis a little bit more tougher to reverse. Okay. Going forward, okay, we know the formulas, we can somehow apply them. But coming backwards, it becomes a little bit more challenging in the Vyanjana Sandhis. But we are aware. If we are aware, then it will become more focused study for us to understand. So let's come back down to earth and understand Shtutva Sandhi. So read the following examples. Udaharanani patantu. Mallinathena Kumarasambhavasya Brihattika Likita. You can almost see the two words Brihat and Tika. The Takara has changed to Takara in the influence of a Takara. So t. This first line is second line is exercised after the underline. Okay, Brihat Tika. That's what is shown here. Brihat Tika, Brihat Tika. In fact, when we study these examples in the book, it's best to go for example and its explanation, examples and explanation, because then it is fresh in the mind. Okay, all right. Saha uttankanam karoti. See here there is a upasarga, ut upasarga and a tankana shabda. So Ut plus tankanam, ut plus tankanam. It is conversion to uttankanam. Uttankanam is typing. We lift the finger and write down the strike the key, no, something like that. Uttankanam. So that's the name given for typing. In the olden days, of course, uttankanam was more about hammering vessels into shape and things like that. Today, it's about typesetting on the computer. We have moved on from simple trade. Okay, all right. Patangaha akashe uddayate. Patangaha, butterfly. Okay, akashe, in the sky. Uddayate, atmanepadi. That's why ate ending. Ud, like, you know, this is dakara stacked on dakara. The printing has its limitation, but we can see here, so there is no problem. Okay, so uddayate, ut plus dayate, again ut with dayate. So this is actually a dhatu upasarga yoga. Okay, dhatu upasarga yoga in this place. Okay, so ut plus dayate, ud plus dayate. Ud, sorry. So that's where that's the problem. It is initially ut, it changes to ud and then ud. Okay, see dakara. So if we have to just reverse the shtutva, we have to show ud plus dayate. Okay, so there is a progression. So they have shown, see, if you see here, they should have highlighted this, but they have highlighted later. You will see. Utu plus dayate, if you take it as uddayate, how did takara change to dakara is the question. Takara cannot change to dakara according to this table. It has to change to takara. Actually, there is another sandhi that happens first, takara to dakara, then dakara to dakara. So shtutva happens following the jastva, we call it. That actually, unfortunately, comes later in this book. Takara to dakara, dakara to dakara. But they showed the original form takara here. They should have probably shown udu plus dayate for this example. Yeah, Mahodaya has a question.
Sir, is it not udyate, not uddayate? Instead of
Uddayate. See, when there is a compound like dakara on top of dakara, you have to attack that first dakara as a ending of the u. That's why even in mantra matra, in the when we do the matra ganana, whether this u is a guru akshara or a lagu akshara, because there is a compound here, ud is the timing of u, ud. So ud plus dayate, uddayate. So there is a slight halt when we pronounce the double da. It is not udayate. You cannot make udayate and make it da plus da. Uddayate, like that.
If it is udyate, it is not conveyed that meaning. Udyate.
What is udyate? Is there such a word?
No, that's what I am asking you.
I am not aware.
Okay.
If you have come across there somewhere, you let me know. I will research. Huh?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank
you. This one is a little confusing. This is Bhaskar. Da is a mrudu vyanjanam. So ut plus dayate is just a jashva sandhi, isn't it? How could it also become a...
No. If it is jastva, first it has to go to corresponding letter. So ud, it first goes to ud. It doesn't straight away go to ud. Okay. From takara, you go to dakara through jastva, ud. Sorry for other students who don't know what is jastva. Don't worry, you will get to know. Okay, ud plus dayate. Then dakara, due to the influence of shtutva, changes to dakara, uddayate, like that. Is it clear?
Got it. Okay, clear.
That's what I was trying to tell. Danush, sorry, next. Ramena Danushtankaraha Kritaha. Danushtankaraha, Danus actually becomes Dhanush due to the influence of Shtutva. That's why Danushtankara is heard not. So the original word is Danuhu, and Danuhu is actually Sakaranta Dhanus in its origin form. So in the Sandhi, Dhanus is taken and Sakara changes to Shakara due to Shtutva. Dhanushtankaraha. So they show Dhanus in the word here. If you reverse that further, there is Dhanuhu in that. Okay. So there is a backward forward movement through some of these Sandhis. Okay. All right. Next, so what is this Ramena Dhanushtankarah Kritaha? You remember when he goes to Janaka's court with his brother and with Muni? I think that was Swayamvara, yeah, Sita Swayamvara Kala. So he will pick up the dhanu, Shiva dhanus easily, and then first do the Thankara. That means he will play it like a instrument using the string. And then he actually, no, I think even while bending, maybe not, the Tankara was not done at that moment because he broke the dhanus while trying to bind the thread, so it couldn't have been then. Maybe this was in some other earlier or later war with the Rakshasas. Anyway, so by Rama, the sounding of the dhanus, the sounding of the dhanus like a string instrument was done. Dhanushtankarah kritah. Kanya shodasha kupat jalam anayanti. What is the question? Anybody wants to intervene? Okay.
Yes, Mahodaya. Yes, Mahodaya. Actually, does it also mean testing of the bow? Dhanush Tankara means he is just what you call testing the bow, whether it is right or wrong, or whether it is working or not.
Look, you are trying to go far afield into Tatparya, Bhava and all that. I am just staying with what is Tankara. Tankara means production of sound.
Okay.
So let's stay there. Definitely it can mean many things like you are saying.
It is known as twanging. Twanging.
Yeah, correct. Twanging, correct. Kanya Shodasha Kupat Jalam Anayanti. So this is a very special construction. So Kanyaha Shodasha. Shodasha we know as 16, right? Kanyaha Shodasha. Kanyas Shodasha. Kanyash Shodasha. Kanyas Shodasha to Kanyash becomes due to Shtutva. And what does it mean? A collection of 16 girls. Okay, collection of 16 women, okay, ladies. So Kanya definitely in Sanskritam is more about girls. So we should take it as 16 girls. Okay. So Kanya Shodasha Kupat Jalam Anayanti. So 16 friends, lady friends, bring from the well water, some kind of description. I don't know what is the context of these 16 girls. It will be interesting to dig into the Shastra or the Kathas and Itihasa to see what is this Shodasha Kanya. Some significance will be there. It won't be constructed just like that. Okay. Or maybe Samskrita Bharati just built it up using Shodasha. Balika Shodha Vibhaktaha. Shodha. 6 way. 6 way is Shodha. Saptadha, Shodha, Ashtadha, Tridha. The same dha technique of saying 3 way, 3 ways, 4 ways, etc. No, Chaturdha. Same thing for Shat is a special word. His Shat is like an exception in the list of numbers. If you see, it causes its own series of prakriyas apart from others. Okay, it's a very special number, 6. So Shodha, 6 way. Okay. Balika Shoda. So Balikaha plus Shoda, Balikas plus Shoda, Balikash plus Shoda. Okay. So the girls were divided into 6 group. That's what it in the end means.
Balikaha becoming Balikas. Is that also a Sandhi?
It is a subtle reversal of a Visarga.
Okay.
When the Balikaha plus Shoda comes, the first prakriya we do is reversal of the Visarga into a Sakara from which it originated. In fact, in the original prakriya, Sakara goes to Repa, Repa goes to Visarga. When we study Visarga Sandhi, etc., maybe we will come across some path for how to arrive at Visarga. Okay. But Visarga reversal leads to Sakara, and which turns into Shakara in the Sandhi. That's what I told. These Sandhis, no, they move up and down a little bit. They have what they call, they live together. So they react to each other, these Sandhis.
Okay.
They are like a collection of chemical equations that work together. Anyway, Balikaha Shodasha is similar to Kanya Shodasha. Almost Prakriya is identical. The Shoda, sorry. Meaning is different. Shodasha is 16, collection of 16. Shoda is 6 ways. So Patanga Marukam Saha Grihitavan. Patang, what is, let us come down here. It's almost impossible to read there. Patadda Marukam. Okay, not patanga. It's almost impossible to read that. Patadamarukam. So patat plus damarukam, patad plus damarukam, patad plus damarukam. Okay. So the da. Same transition as we saw with the uddayate. Okay. Patad damarukam. What is patad damarukam? Patat means falling. Damarukam means a drum. Shiva's drum is a damaru, right? Damarukam. So patad damarukam sahagrihitavan. The drum that was falling down, that fellow he grabbed. That means he prevented it from crashing to the ground or something like that. Patad damarukam. Okay. So there is not any itihasa significant construct. It is simply a laukika construct. Patad damarukam. Okay. Next is again dakara.
महोदय एकसन्देहं शोढा meaning into 6 groups it is written. So where is that groups thing coming? I'm not able to
See, suppose in your class, suppose you are a teacher and in your class you have 24 students. I'm carefully taking a multiple of 6. Suppose you have 24 girl students and you have to have a competition where you need 6 groups of them. Okay. Then, so Mahodayena Kakshyayam Balika Shodha Vibhaktaha. Balika Shodha Vibhaktaha. The girls were divided into 6 groups. What is the problem?
No, I understood that, sir. Sir, the 6 groups it is written. No, sir, in that word, Balika,
Shodha embeds all that. It's difficult to translate such directly into English in one word.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can say in Kannada also. Aru bhaga. Kannada also doesn't have this power. Aru bhagagalagi, like they say, vibhaktaha only comes into that part for us. But Shodha contains a bit partitioning, which is also indicated by vibhakta. Okay. 6 ways. 6 ways. 6 way. If you can construct one compound word in English called 6 ways, that is what. So girls 6 ways they were divided. Okay. Like panchadha, like that. Okay. Tat dolayamanam asti. Tat dolayamanam asti. Tad dolayamanam asti. Tad dolayamanam asti. So double level conversion. Okay. Tad dolayamanam. So some of them, if you see takara to dakara, dakara to dakara, then sakara generation from visarga. These kind of other prakriyas are involved. So that's what here they say next. Okay. Oh, what is that dolayamanam asti? That thing is delicately balanced. Dolayamanam means kind of swinging in place as if ready to crash. Okay. So like your
Is it swinging?
Swinging, it can be, if it is for an actual swing, that is a stable operation for a swing. But if it is for a thing that is standing on one point and ready to fall, then that is also can be used there also.
ತೂಗಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ತೂಗಾಡೋದು, correct. ತೂಗಾಡೋದು. Yes. Shtutva Sandehe Niyamaha. When Sakara and the letters of Tavarga come before or after, see, before or after, every example is about after, but that's okay. Shakara and Tavarga, the former are replaced by the latter respectively. Here you have to read the word respectively, not with respect to what is present as the influencer, with respect to the row order with the stu and the stu letter. Okay. So this, any of them can be there, influencer. I have repeatedly said that. Don't get confused. Okay. Repeatedly I am highlighting because that has not been so clearly elaborated here by the word respectively. Respective to what was to be replaced, not respective to what was the influencer. Okay. This is known as Tutva Sandhi. In the table, when any of the letters, see, that's why I put this arrow. This arrow is a additional information for us. In this table, when any of the letters in the first column comes before or after any of those in the second, the letters in the first column are replaced by those in the third, respectively, means in the same row. Okay. All right. So You guys can try this. This is a fairly easy game now. Okay, so we will just do a few crowdsourcing and keep moving. Otherwise, I'll be keeping lesson 1 till next weekend. I'm sure you guys will run away from me if I do that. So let's keep moving. Tattika. So takara to takara. Tattika. Nadat damarukam. What is the answer?
Nadaddamarukkam.
Dakara. So the to the to the double. Okay, damarukam. Dalas shat.
Dalashat.
Sakara will change to shakara. So dalas shat. Okay, double sha will appear. So on and so forth. Okay, guys, you can try all this. Okay, and here I have some meaning for you. Sattipani means true list, proper list. Balashashtaha means sixth boy. Just like Shodha was 6 ways, Shashtaha means sixth. Okay, it is the ordinal whatever you call that. Okay, so Balashashtaha, sixth boy. Bruhat Tankashala, big print shop. Asakridayanam, okay, leisurely flight. Asakrit Dayanam, leisurely flight, is the closest meaning that we can derive for that. Okay. Asakrit means not all at one time. So I take it as leisure in the context. Okay. Syadaka, perhaps it is a hand drum. Okay, perhaps a hand drum. If we want to take the meaning together, remember in the Vakya, these two words need not be immediately related. You have to be always be careful. In a Samasta Pada, there is a very hard and fast sambandha between the two parts that occur in the Samasta Pada. There is no way of moving one of the padas to attach to something else. They're like Maharaja, only Raja is the Mahan Purusha there. But here, Syat Daka, Syat can be for some other reason, but it so happens that Syat is a Kriyapada, so Daka also would actually link to it in any way in a sentence. So maybe here I should not. So this Asakrit can be with something else and then Dayanam can come later in the sentence. But since in the Kavi order it was Asakrit Dayanam, he may have combined it. But in the context of understanding them as two words that pair, I have given certain meanings. Okay, so it doesn't mean something else can ensue in a sentence.
I have a question, sir. In the confluence of ta and da, the second example, second abhyasa, nadat and damaruka. Is it mandatory that jastva has to come and then only shtutva?
Yeah. Otherwise, shtutva cannot be applied. Shtutva is violating. I mean, takara to dakara is not indicated by shtutva. Where is indicated by shtutva? You are ignoring respectively if you take shtutva, right? Takara, if it direct.
His question is in logical order. You'll first do Shtutva, Jashva Sandhi.
No. First you will do Jastva, then Shtutva. Correct.
So it has to come. Jastva has to come. Okay.
Correct, sir. You cannot straight away do Shtutva. Only for at this level, biting their own tongues. Samskrita Bharati has shown the original words and called it Shtutvam. But they put a rejoinder. If you see, they put here. Oh, not here. Later they will put. Okay, it didn't come here. Later they will put that caveat. Because they didn't want to confuse the students, they did that. Okay. They just, in fact, by not mentioning it right away, they confused us a little more. That's why I am there to help you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Asakrit Dayanam Visa. Syad Daka, perhaps it is a hand drum. Bhayakrit Damaraha. Okay. Bhayakrit Damaraha. So scary riot. What a word. Okay. Hasad Dimbaha. Hasat Dimbaha. Laughing baby. Dimba. Baby. What is beautiful? Dimba. So laughing baby. Hasad Dimbaha. Sharat Dambaraha. Sharat Dambaraha. The decoration or the colors of Sharat Kala. Sharat Dambaraha. Adambara we know, no? From the same Dambara. Adambara is with Ang Upasarga. So Sharat Dambaraha means the beauty of a Sharat time. Okay, whatever the colors or whatever.
Sir, what is the meaning of that fourth one, sir, in Abhyasa, third part, Chakrim Daukase.
Chakrin Daukase. Okay. So Chakrin, Krishna, approach, you approach like that. Dalashat means 6 petals.
No, Chakrim,
Hey
right? It is
Chakrin.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Hey Chakrin. No, Hey Chakrin.
Chakrin
Tvam
itself is
Daukase.
the Namapada, right? There is no Vibhakti in Hey
Chakrin
Chakrin.
is a
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana
Correct.
Prathama.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey Chakrin Daukase Agachatu iti. Chakrin Daukase. Like that. Okay. See, there is a nakara to nakara, a rarity. See, nakara to nakara example. Important to keep that in mind. Yes.
So what is the meaning of Satipani?
See number 1 down, true list.
Number 1.
Proper list. Yeah, proper list.
No. Tippani is some notes kind of a thing for any other grantha.
List,
So it's a proper notes or kind of Vyakhyana or kind of.
Correct. Vyakhyana, or you can just take it as a proper listing, whatever. Okay.
Mahodaya, when will it is Chakrin Daukase, right? It will become Chakrit Daukase if had it been Chakrit and Daukase, right?
But the word is nakara, so Shtutva changes it to nakara. We cannot take some abstract word and tell. There has to be meaning. What is Chakrid?
No, okay. My urge was to see a da here, but I saw na, so why it is like that?
No, because nakara changed to nakara. The influencer is a dhakara. I told earlier, influencer is making na. It's not making na dha. Okay, all right. So having so thoroughly learned Shtutva, I hope.
Just
Remember?
one question.
Yeah.
If you see the abhyas which we have, okay. Now most of the words is first, ta halant is changing to jashva and then either shutva or the other sandhi. My question is, are there any words with the halant? Because if you don't know the word, okay, then you will be confused whether when you have to break to put ta halant or the halant.
No, by the end of these lessons, you will be more or less mastering this. Don't worry too much. Most of the halanta dakara comes from takara switching to dakara. Most of it. At least I am not having sufficient depth of knowledge to give you examples that don't come from takara. Okay.
So you can assume that almost all will be with ta halant and not
due to my limited knowledge, I am making that assumption. You don't assume. You try to recollect whether there is a takaranta word which is could be the cause, right? So that's what. That's the most important thing. Okay. Yeah. Laukika Nyayaha. This is actually a beautiful section of this entire textbook. So we learn about some 20 odd Laukika Nyaya. Basically, these are more like beautiful phrases that we can use to explain away something, to laugh away something, to kind of not put enormous weightage to some magic things like that. Okay, so these are maxim is the word they use in English, I guess. Yeah. So there are some popular maxims in Sanskrit language. Appropriate use of these adds charm to the speech. It does indeed. Just like we in Kannada we use gade a lot. These are like short one-word gades. You can say one-word epithets for explaining situations. Okay, in this series, we give 2 maxims in each lesson of Shiksha course. So we learn 20. So we can make actually in your own notes, you can make a list of all of them in one sheet for a quick revision. We are going to learn progressively under each lesson, but when you study, it will be nice to have a collection of each of these. Kakataliya Nyayaha. Kaka is a crow. Tala or Tala Vriksha is a tree. It is the palm tree. Okay, Kakataliya Nyayaha, the rule of or the principle of, you can take Nyaya to mean either of those, the principle of the crow and the and the palm tree. Immediately, when somebody says Kakataliya, we immediately know what it means. It simply means this. You see what happens. This picture, a crow happens to be sitting on a tala vriksha. Let us try that in Sanskritam. Kakah ekah tala vrikshasya upari उपविशद अस्ति. एवं यदा सः काकः उड्डयनं कृत्वा निर्गच्छति, उड्डयनं कर्तुं प्रभवति, निर्गच्छति, तालवृक्षात् निर्गच्छति, उपरि गच्छति, तस्मिन् काले एव, तस्मिन् तत्क्षणे एव वृक्षात् एकः तालवृक्षस्य किं तालवृक्षस्य पत्रम् इति इदानीं उपयोगं कुर्मः. भागं पत्रं किमपि अधः पतति, अथवा तालवृक्षस्य फलमेकं पतति इति चिन्तयतु. चिन्ता नास्ति, यत्किमपि पतति. यदा काकः निर्गच्छति तदा तालवृक्षात् किमपि पतति. वयं किं चिन्तयामः? ओहो, काकस्य उड्डयनेन एव पत्रं पतितम् इति. साक्षात् न तथा, स्यात् कदापि तथा, परन्तु सामान्यतया तत्र किम् इत्युक्ते पत्रस्य पतनार्थं बहुशक्तिः आवश्यकी, बहुशक्तिः आवश्यकी. परन्तु काकः तु शक्तिमान् न. तु तथा किं तत्क्षणे एव एतदपि अभवत् इति अस्माकं मनसि भ्रमः सञ्जायते यत् काकः यदा उड्डयति तदा पत्रं पतति, तेन कारणेन पत्रं पतति इति. लोके एवं बहुत्र सन्निवेशेषु एवं वयमपि पश्यामः. तदा सम्यक् चिन्तयित्वा निर्धारं स्वीकरणीयम् अस्माभिः. काकतालीयन्यायः यथा तथा एतदपि इति. Okay, it is incidental. Like that we have to conclude. I hope you could understand my tuta puta Sanskritam.
Mahadaya, in Tamil language, this particular nyaya is told the other way around. When kakam sits on this one, the fruit falls. So it's a coincidence.
Yeah. The description is that way in this English. Both any incident like that, due to the arrival or the departure, this event can happen. Basically, when there is some physical contact change. Yeah, I described it as if it is flying off, but you can describe it as it is sitting down. Okay, that's what is description here. When any two events occur together. Yeah.
यदा सः आसन्दे उपविष्टवान् तदा एव आसन्दः अधः अपतत्.
तो प्रायः तस्य उपवेशनेन एवम् अभवत् इति आम् स्यात् तथा. आसन्दे इति न वृक्षस्य उपरि अस्ति अत्र. When any two, but finally what is the tatparya? When any two events occur together by chance, it is called kakataliya occurrence. It is an accidental coincidence. That's what is kakataliya. Okay, a crow sits on a palm tree. Immediately, a palm leaf or a branch breaks loose and falls down. The two events, though unrelated, occur simultaneously. In such happenings, this maxim is quoted. Well stated by them. I can extend it to the bird living also. Bhikshupada prasara nyayah. This is beautiful. Bhikshupada prasara nyayah. Okay, bhikshu means a beggar. Okay. Normally it doesn't mean a beggar, it means a sannyasi also, but let's take it in the context as beggar. Pada prasara means spreading of his leg. So a beggar spreading his wares and his leg in a area. So that principle, let us see what is the context. A beggar had no place even to stretch his legs. Somebody offered him a place to lie down, but in course of time the beggar occupied the entire house and threw out the owner himself. We see this conflict everywhere in the world. Okay.
एवमेव एक उष्ट्रकटा अपि सन्ति.
Oh, correct. The Arab invites the camel into his camp.
Yeah.
Arabian Nights story maybe. Yeah, definitely. They see many of these story folklore, they derive from each other. So, yeah. Bhikshu Pada Prasara Nyaya. Okay, we'll remember this. Okay. Sangrahya Vishayaha. There is not too much for me to do here. So let me do a very quick reading and we will keep moving forward. Okay. Look guys here. Okay. This formula, square root of in the bracket 2.5y divided by 3 to the power 2 plus 9 minus 1 equal to 4 is described in this verse. Okay. So it is not that we are taking some mad meanings to derive this. It's very clear. If anybody knows half a Sanskritam, they will see this formula is embedded there. Okay. How deep was their knowledge of mathematics is clear from such quotes. Okay. These are all actually problem statements. So one mathematician Kavi, he devises these sutras challenging the readers to answer that. Okay, to find the answer. So the answer is not in this question. The question is described in this sutra. Okay. Sardadvikena gunitastribirhruto vargito yuto navabhihi tat padameka vihinam rupachatushkam sakorasihi. What is the result? Rashi is the result of this formula. Rashi means square root or something. So with one less the square root, what is the result like that? Okay. So vargito, maybe vargito means squared. Navabihi yuto means added with 9. So you can see even with our half Sanskritam knowledge, we know that formula is represented there. Okay. So let us have deep respect. Okay. Not just say nothing like that. Okay. Here is the yes.
Mahodaya, it is not there in the book, this particular this one.
No. It is not there in the book. It is there on my screen. Yeah. Here is the description of the boundary of our country in the Puranas. Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreschaiva dakshinam varsham tad bharatam nama bharati yatra santatihi. So description of Bharata. Okay. In the Puranas. So north of the Samudra, south of the Himadri is the Dakshina area. Varsham, the country, Tad Bharatam, Nama, Bharati Yatra Santatihi, where the people are called Bharatiyas. So that's the beautiful. The region to the north of the ocean, to the south of Himalayas. Okay, they have taken Himalayas only, known as Bharata Varsham. The inhabitants here are called Bharatiyas. Here the word Varsha refers to the continent with the Jambu Dvipa. Of the 9 Varshas in Jambu Dvipa, Bharatam is the 9th. Okay. Ratnakaradhautapadam Himalaya Kiritinim Brahmarajarshi Natnadhyam Vande Bharatamataram. So the Ratnadhyam. Yes, Mahodaya. Okay.
No, it was Ratnadhyam only.
Ratnadhyam. Yeah. Brahmarajarshi Ratnadhyam. So it's they're being called Ratnas, this Brahmarajarshis. Okay. Oh Brahma Bharatamata, I salute you. Your feet are washed by the ocean king. Himavan is your crown. Brahmin sages and royal sages are the jewels on your body. That kind of description. Okay. Okay. Just basically a couple of verses giving certain hint as to the name Bharata. They have pulled in as a Sangrahya Vishaya.
These things you use in whenever you do some puja. Now before that Sankalpa they say, no, Bhardavashe, Bharadakande, Meroho.
Dakshine Parshve, Tasmin Kale, Nakshatre, evam. Amam. Kaladesha Sankirtanam iti tasya namadheyam. Kaladesha Sankirtanam kritva karyam karaniyam iti. Contribution of Bharata to the field of mathematics. So there of zeros, shunyam, abhava, Indian numeral, sankhya, decimal system. See, actually, if you go to Nyaya, no, there is a treatment of abhava as actually a padartha. Abhava is a thing in Nyaya. So they carefully treat it as an object and then deal with it. Okay. So abhava is a great important keyword in Nyaya Shastra and all that. Anyway, so you guys read all this. So I will keep forward. Okay, I have given the Sanskritam words. You can refer back to that later.
Mahodaya, one question. So in the last sloka, right, we have this Brahma Raja Rishi Ratnadyam. So is it referring to the Brahma Rishi and Raja Rishi whom we know as Vishwamitra and all those people? Is that the correct?
Yes. Actually, here they have stretched it a little bit. Okay, it actually, like you said, no, the Munidvayam that you indicated are probably the primary Vachyartha, but they have extended it to all sages. Yeah, correct. You're right. Brahmarshi, Rajarshi are titles the way you gave. Correct.
Okay, what is the Sandhi in Ratnadhyam?
Adhya means wearing, placed, wearing, something like that. Ratnadhya encompassed with the ratnas, the body like that, decorated with the ratnas like that.
It is Ratna plus Adhyam, right? The Savarna Dirgha Sandhi only.
It is actually probably a Samastapada, but at the end of the Samastapada there is a Sandhi and looks like Savarna Dirgha. Correct. Adhya. So Ratneshu, Ratnaya, something like that. Maybe Shashti.
Addo means enriched, I think.
Enriched. Here Adya means wearing in the sense. Okay.
Wearing.
Are decorated with, placed on the body.
Having lot of money called Dhanadya.
Dhanadya.
One lot of Ratna is there, so Ratnadhyam.
Correct. Very good. Dhanadya, Ratnadya was a wonderful example to pull in the meaning of Adhya. Correct. Containing, wearing, having these senses. Okay. Filled with these senses. Okay. So with that, we have finished the first lesson. Okay. So let us do a few of the terminal exercises. Okay. In group. Adolikite vakye vibhaktihi nirdishata bhikshukah क्षुदायाः शमनाय पादाभ्याम एव ग्रामात् ग्रामं गत्वा भिक्षां याचते सर्वत्र. So the beggar, due to the hunger and to please it or calm it down, okay, calming of the hunger, on his 2 feet only, from village to village having gone, the bhiksham, the actual phala of the bhiksha, that is basically anna, etc. Yachate sarvatra, he begs everywhere. So now you guys have to identify whether it's pratama vibhakti, ekavachana, etc. Okay, we can crowdsource. Bhikshukah. Pratama vibhakti ekavachana. Very good. 1.1. Kshudayaha.
Shashti vibhakti bahuvachana. Ekavachana.
Sitayaha. Kshudayaha. Ekavachana. Ksudha iti strilinga, akaranta strilinga shabda. So tarhi Kshudayaha iti ekavachana eva. Okay. Kshudayaha shamanaya.
Chaturthi.
Ramaya. So Ramaya, Sitaya, all similar sounds. Okay. Shamana probably strilinga shabda, so Shamanaya, Chaturthi ekavachana. Luckily they haven't asked us linga also, but you guys should actually be able to slowly know this linga also over time. Okay. Those as children who are mugged up Amarakosha can tell instantly. Otherwise it will take time. Okay. Padabhyam. Using Karanakaraka, Dvivachana. Very good. On the 2 feet, right? So Tritiya Dvivachana, 3.2. Eva. Very good. So we write it as 0 or 0.0. We write it sometimes. Okay. Avyaya is shown with a shunya. Okay. All right. Grama. Panchami. Very easy.
Pullinga shabda.
Pullinga. Gramaha. Gramam. This one is a beautiful pairing. Is a Gramat Gramam. So Hallinda Hallige, like that. Okay. So Jagah se Jagat. Jagah. Gatva. Tvanta. What is the final Namapada form? What is the vibhakti?
Avyaya.
Avyaya. Tvantavyaya. Tvantavyaya. Diksham.
Dvitiya ekvachan.
Okay. So for the gamana dhatu, there is gramam is the karma. For yachana dhatu, diksha is the karma. Diksha. So 2.1. Diksha iti strilinga shabda. So diksham is the sitam. Yachate. Atmanepadi. Pratama purusha. Ekavachana. 1.1 akara. Sorry, atmane lat. Okay. Sarvatra
Avyayam.
saptamyarte. This avyaya is a saptamyartha avyaya. Okay, guys. So wonderful. I think you guys are ready for these kind of challenging questions. Very nice. So adho nirdishtanam shatranta pullinga rupani likhata rakshati.
Rakshan.
Our Bengali friend has gone in first there. Very good, sir. Rakshan, rakshantau, rakshataha. Rakshantaha. I think I may have missed the na. Possibly I may have error. Vahati. Deliberately I have tawa. We need to check whether nakara lopa happens. Rakshataha, vahataha like that.
Dvitiya vachana, I mean.
Bhavantaha. Nakara should be there.
I think nakara should be there. I will cross check and correct. Okay.
Dvitiya vabhakti, that form was last time.
Vashati. Dhawantau. Remember, guys, all of them are Shatru. So as running, as two people running, as too many people running. That is the meaning here. That's why it's Namapada. Okay. So these are actually Pratama Vibhakti Rupani. Rakshan, Rakshantau, Rakshantaha probably. Okay. Uttarayata. So Vahantaha only. Most likely the Nakara is a mistake from my side. Okay. Missing of the Nakara. Okay. Ahrudayam Inayashilatayaha Karanam Kim. What is the cause of
Vairagyam.
Very good, madam. Picked up. Sambena lobena bhiyahriya va prayo vinito tanayesha sarvaha vairagyatatva hrudayam vineetam param durlabhameva panye. So ahrudayam vinayashilatayaha karanam vairagyam eva. Kena vina daivam na siddhyati. Purushakaranena. So purushakaranena. Yata hyekena chakredha narathasya gatirbhavet. Evam purushakarena vina daivam na siddhyati. Purushakarena swaprayatnena. Rathasya gatihi kena na bhavati. Easy.
Ekena chakrena na
bhavati. Answer is staring at us. Ekena chakrena. Good. Anvaya rachanam kuruta nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramiha vidyate. So this one is difficult to crowdsource. So I will call one of you. Just give me some time. Attendees. Why I'm not able to see? So let's call Alok Kumar Bhattacharya Varya. Ashok Varya. Sorry, Kshamyatam. Ashok Varya. Try to reorder this.
Nahi ganeno sadrisam pavitram iha vidyati.
That is the original order.
Ganeno sadrisam pavitram nahi
vidyate.
Nahi vidyate.
Na vidyate hi also is okay. Na vidyate hi. But good thing. What you see, guys? Na he immediately took it to the Kriyapada. Because na vidyate is the pradhana here, doesn't exist. Okay, so that's why he took it close to kriyapada. So jnanena sadrisham pavitram iha na vidyatehi. So jnanena sadrisham, equivalent to the knowledge, pavitram, one which is auspicious, iha, in this world, Atra, iha, asmin loke, na vidyate, he doesn't exist at all. That means knowledge is the supreme, especially for
Why Tritiya is there here, Mahodaya? Gnanena, Gnanadinda, right?
That is actually Upapada Tritiya. There is a rule for that. If you go back to Pravesha, etc., Vibhakti, you will see there is a reason for Upapada Tritiya. You will see that reason exists here, Sadrisham. Okay?
Okay.
Dharma Samstapanartha Arthaya. So, Dharma Samstapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Very popular Gita verse. Let me call Gita. Yes, Gita. Geeta Gita only.
Yes, Hariam.
Bhagini, your sentence from Gita only.
Okay, Sambhavami is Prathama Purusha Ek Kriya Pada, and Yuge Yuge will be in Saptami Vibhakti.
Correct. Again and again in many yugas. Correct.
Yeah. Dharma Sansthapan Arthaya. There are 3 words in it, right, sir?
But it is in a samasta.
Yeah, but I mean, I can recognize 3 words. I can recognize 3 words.
Correct. You are absolutely right. Dharma, Samstapana, and Artha. So there are 3 words there, but it's one samasta. Dharma, Samstapana, Arthaya. What it means?
Means to establish dharma.
Correct.
I come in every age.
Correct. So how would you reorder now? You can do some adhyaharana. You can do some bring in some subject. What is the subject? Aham. Very good. So first you put bracket and put aham. Yes.
Aham dharma sansthapanarthaya yuge yuge sambhavami.
Perfect. You guys have understood. Perfect.
I'm so nervous.
And what? No nervousness. Yuge yuge, and after that in bracket you can put punaha punaha also. Okay.
Okay.
That's the meaning of yuge yuge. Duplication of yuga is about punaha. Okay.
Dhanyavad.
Beautiful. Well done. And
so this is samasta pada. We needn't break it up, no, sir?
That one is Kovida level, madam.
Okay.
See, but I will tell you, dharma samstapanam, dharmasya samstapanam. Okay, samstapanam, samyak sthapanam. Samyak sthapanam, samstapanam. Okay. Sorry. Then dharmasya samstapanam, the samstapana of the dharma. Dharma samstapanartham, dharma samstapana sya krite, dharma samstapanartham aya. For that sake, that is a vibhakti aya. Okay, all right.
So this dot on the sa is pronounced as ma or as a verb.
Which one?
The dot on the sa, dharma samsthapana.
Actually, little bit of nasality more than makara. Okay, little bit more nasal. Sansthapanaya like that.
Right. Dhanyavad.
Little bit. Don't make it full makara there. Saudis make a mistake. In the south we do samsthapana like that. It is sansthapanah.
I have a question. This Anvaya Rachana. Hello.
Please ask.
Yeah, Anvaya Rachana. You have been given to understand.
1 second, sir. Hold on, sir. 1 second, sir. I am not able to hear anything. Now you unmute yourself and ask, sir.
In Anvaya Rachana, we have been given to understand that the words can be arranged in any order. For instance, in 2, you can say yuge aham yuge yuge dharma samstavanarthaya sambhavami.
Yes. No problem. There isn't one answer. See, there isn't one answer, but don't write back the question and say I have answered. Okay?
Okay.
Please put the Kriyapada in the end. Please put the imagined Kartrupada in the beginning. Few others you organize in a way that you would speak in your own mother tongue. Right? No problem.
Okay.
You're right. I have done same as Bhagini. Aham I have not put in bracket, but you can. Okay. See, for example, here. Okay. Dharma samstapanaya yuge yuge sambhavami. Okay. Sambhavami. Kriyapadam. Kaha sambhavati. Aham sambhavami. Uttaram. Aham iti. अध्याहरणं. कदा सम्भवामि? युगे युगे सम्भवामि. ओके. किमर्थं सम्भवामि? संस्थापनाय सम्भवामि. Okay, so if you ask kimartam first, that answer comes first. If you ask kada later, that answer comes later. Not a problem. Any of those two orders are not hurting the overall sentence. Okay. Then kasya samsthapanaya, dharma samsthapanaya. So yuge yuge is pratyekasmin yuge ityarte dvivarocharanam. So I have given everything. I will get 1.5 marks even if there is only 1 marks. Like that if you answer. Okay. But you don't have to take crayons like me. For me, it is easy on the PowerPoint. Don't worry. Okay. Same way you can do here for this. Dhyanena sadrisham pavitram iha navidyate hi. See, I put the hi in the end. And same. Navidyate. See, I took with the nai. Kriya padam. Okay. Next, kutra navidyate, iha navidyate, asmin loke navidyate. Kim navidyate, pavitram navidyate. कीदृशं पवित्रं सदृशं पवित्रं केन सदृशं ज्ञानेन सदृशं कथं न विद्यते हि. I took that in the end. Those come there. Okay, so you can intertwist a few of this question. Okay, not a problem. I went in a certain way. If you do this because they have asked Anvaya, and in this level your Anvaya is more or less to be with Akanksha Paddhati. This is called Akanksha Paddhati. Even if it is for 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, typically Anvaya questions are 4-mark questions. Okay, you do this beautiful little bit. Okay, you will yourself love what you did. Okay, and here I did a little bit more. Iha asmin loke iti saptamyarte avyayam hi 0.0 avyayam kriyayaha nischayatayaha suchakah vidyate eva iti. So these kind of things. So with that we will conclude. We have come to the 1 hour point. You guys can attempt this in the break. And then we will start with the new lesson. After the short water break of 4 to 5 minutes, we gather back at 12:08. 12:08, it's 12:03 on my clock now. Okay, please. अस्तु, स्वागतम्। श्रूयते किल?
आम् महोदय।
अस्तु अस्तु, धन्यवादः। तो द्वितीयः पाठः इति समस्ते विसर्गलोपः। द्वितीयपाठः विसर्गलोपः इत्युक्ते प्रातिपदिके विसर्गः नास्ति, तदर्थं द्वितीय प्लस् पाठः इति भवति। In fact, Dvitiya plus Patha and then the reattachment of the Vibhakti. That is the Prakriya for Samastapada. It's an amazing concept of Sanskritam, this Samastapada thing. A very unique language because of that. How it allows that lovely shortcuts. Yeah. So, Agre Saramah. Patasya Prathama Bhagah Uktihi. सूक्तिः उक्तिः सम्यक् यदस्ति तदुक्तिः सूक्तिः स उक्तिः सूक्तिः इति सुष्ठु उक्तिः सूक्तिः इति सुष्ठु उक्तिः मनो हि हेतुः सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने मनः हि हेतुः भवति इति अर्थः। ओके, सो मनः हि सर्वेषाम् इन्द्रियाणां प्रवर्तने हेतुः भवति। किम् एतत्? माइंड, मनः, इंटेलिजेंस, यू कैन एक्सटेंड इट दैट वे. ओके, द कंट्रोलिंग एजेंट. Indeed, the mind of all the sense organs, whether it is action organs or sense organs, you can take by extension. Indriya doesn't necessarily mean only sense organs. It means both Karmendriya and Jnanendriya. Jnanendriya is sense organ in English. Karmendriya would be action organs. Okay, so actually we should say both. My translation is a little poor. Pravartane, in the activation of, in the engagement of. Okay. Hetuhu. Hetu in Sanskrit means cause. Hetu, cause. Okay. Heya means something that should be distanced. Hetu is the cause. Hetu, Heya is a very critical Vedantic pair. Okay. Okay. Bhavati is Adhyaharana. Asti, Bhavati. Mind indeed of all sense and action organs in activation, pravartane, in activation, reason or cause it is. This is Butler English. Rephrasing, indeed the mind is the motivating cause of the activities of all the sense plus action organs. मनः ज्ञान इंद्रियाणां द्वारा विषयान् प्राप्त्वा पुनः कर्म इंद्रियाणाम् अथवा कर्मेन्द्रियाणां द्वारा प्रचोदकः भवति कार्यकरणे. The mind through the means of jnanendriyas obtains the vishayas, means the eye sees the vishaya, the ear hears the vishaya, etc., etc. And again, through the means of the karmendriya, it initiates the actions into work. Anyway, nice. Kridantaha, we continue. Now, Vishesha Kriya Padani. We are continuing with Shatru. The enormous focus of this level is Shatru Shanach. Okay, and first they drill down the pulling of forms a little detailed. Okay, then go into Strilinga variations. Okay, Pullinga forms are largely for Napumsaka in other Vibhaktis are same. So there is a lot of overlap. But Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti varies, as you know. But Strilinga is a different ball game and they show the Prakriya for that also. Okay, but the concept is learned initially through Pullinga forms. Shatru Prathama Vibhaktau Vishesha Kriya Padanam योगे कृदन्ताः शत्रु कृदन्ताः कथं भविष्यन्ति इति अद्यतन विषयः. In the previous lesson, you got familiar with the Prathama Vibhakti forms of the present participles, Shatrantaha, like Pathan, Gachan, one who is reading, one who is going, etc. Now you will learn the forms of some irregular verbs. Okay, the verbs are not irregular, their forms are irregular. That's how you study the following examples. Pita karyam kurvan putram drishtavan. Okay, and Bahuvachana is kurvantah. Okay, so kurvan putram drishtavan. So work as he was doing, he saw the sun. He became the fellow who saw the sun, like that. Okay, Pita, father. Aravindah Geetam Shrunvan Chitram Likati. Okay, Shrunvan Shrunoti iti lati rupam. Shrunvan iti it is not Shrunon or something like that. Just like Gachati changes to that form like Gachan. So there is a transformation happening in the middle, right? So that's why they are calling it irregular. Shrunvan Chitram Likati. Okay. So the Arvind, the fellow Arvind, a song, while listening, he draws a picture. Rakeshah Padatra. Yes.
Sir, can you convert this in Tumun, sir? Aravindah Geetam.
That is not the exercise right now. You please do try that, and if you want me to cross check later, we can look at that. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Aravindah Geetam Shrunayatu. Rakeshah Padatranam Kreenan Dhanasyutat Dhanam Svikritavan. So Rakesha, the footwear, while buying from the purse, the money he took out. Svikritavan here means he received, but we know in the context it means he took it into his hand from the purse. That means he didn't receive it, he took it in his hand is the sense. So Kreenan Kreenantaha, Shrunvan Shrunvantaha. I have just focused on the Bahuvachana and the Ekavachana. Shishuhu Rudan Pitamaham Ahutavan. So the baby, while crying, as crying.
Doubt, sir. Hello, one doubt, sir. Svikritavan, instead of that, what can we put? Grihitavan or something, so that Svikritavan is from some other person, right?
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. You can change it if you don't like it, but Samskrita Bharati has put it, so I'm reading it as the correct form in the context. That's all. Okay. See, you have to take very contextual meaning of some of this. Okay. Svikara doesn't mean always somebody else is giving. From his left hand, he can svikara to the right hand. What is there?
But here he took the money from the bag.
Purse.
Purse, yeah.
Syutat svikritavan. That means he took it. His is a matter of taking. Yeah.
That's okay.
Nothing wrong. Yeah.
Mahoday, this kurvantah, which form is this? Like, it's not. It's
Shatru Bahuvachana, Hiralji. Shatru Bahuvachana.
Shatru Bahuvachana.
Kurvan is Shatru Ekavachana. Kurvantah is Shatru Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana.
I hope I have cross-checked those, but later if there is an error, we will correct. Sometimes some of them have the nakara lopa. We have to be little cautious. Okay. So for example, here see dadat dadataha, bibyat bibyataha, nakara lopa is there. That's why even highlighted with red. So I am thinking, because I put so much effort in highlighting those when I prepared this slides 2 years ago or something, I took care to check that the nakara is not lopa in all these things. Okay, but mistakes are there potentially. Yeah.
I was comparing with that karoti kurutaha kurvanti. So I was. The original.
Kru dhatu is quite a play for us, but this is kreen, the different dhatu, kreen. Yeah. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti kurvantaha. Kurvanti more or less matching. That is looking good. Karoti change to kurvan is quite a transformation. Yeah. But remember, kru dhatu also has atmane forms. Kurute, kurvate, kurvante, like that. Okay. So yeah, it is an important dhatu to mug up. Kru dhatu.
Dhanyavad Mahoday.
Dhanyavad. Etat akaryam iti janan. Okay, I think I skipped this. Vruddha idanim ganaharam svikartum shaknuvan asti. Vruddha, the old man. Idanim, now. Ganaharam, that means solid food. It is a little bit of reverse translation from English perhaps. Okay, Ganaharam. Svikartum, to receive. Okay, this is from others other than that Svikara. Or maybe to eat. Okay, Svikartum can simply mean from hand to mouth. Shaknuvan asti. He is now capable fellow for that action. So Shaknuvan is in Shatru, Asti is the active Kriya Pada. Shaknoti is enough here. Vruddha idanim ganaharam svikartum Shaknoti is enough. But they have forced it into Shatru with a Asti. Okay, being capable of. Etat akaryam iti janan api saha utkocham svikaroti. See, Shatru is more colorful when you have two phrases like this. In such places, it's a little wasted. Shaknuvan asti. Though it conveys a little bit more than Shaknoti. It means nowadays type of sense comes from the Shatru. But here it's very clear. Janan is for the first phrase and Svikaroti is for the second phrase. So Janan is a phrase connector. Shatru. So etat akaryam iti janan api. This is a bad work, bad thing to do. So while understanding too, while knowing too api is too. Saha utkocham svikaroti. Utkocha, very technical word in Sanskritam, bribe. I don't know how it is constructed. What is the engineering of that word? Ut is up and kocha, I don't know what it comes from. I'll have to figure out. So, but it means bribe at the end. Svikaroti.
Mahodaya atra vruddha idanim dhanaharam svikartum shaknuvan asti. If we say vruddha idanim dhanaharam svikurvan asti, then he is taking dhanahar.
Correct. That is another sentence. Here it is more about nowadays he is able to receive solid food like that. Okay. That means he has recovered from whatever was afflicting him, indigestion or whatever, and he is able to. But you're right. I mean, Svikurvan asti simply describes currently he is eating. Doesn't give that sense of nowadays he is well. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Subtle differences in all those different forms, just like in our mother tongues. Yeah. Balakaha kandukam kreenan margam pashyati. So as he is buying the ball, he is looking at the road. Where can I kick it towards? Like that. Hopefully that is not his intention. Lekakaha prashastim award. Prashastim prapnuvan gata dinani smrutavan. Oh, the author, the honor as he is receiving the good old days he remembered. I am saying good old days. Gata dinani generally means good old days. He remembered all the effort he put to get the award. Finally, it has come to fruition like that. Hopefully, they give him some significant amount. They give some 5,000 and call it an award.
He would have recollected his the strong efforts that he has put for developing that book.
Correct. All the struggles he went through for that few thousand rupees award. Ravindraha putram grinhan. See, hakara with nakara, the attack letter is nakara usually first. This Yara, Lavana, few of them attack first. Grihnan, no. Grinhan is how we pronounce it. There are arguments about this. Let us take the Vaidika Paddhati of Grinhan like that. Ravindraha, see, okay. The only guys who have preserved the pronunciation of Sanskritam are the Vedic scholars. Okay, because they followed a Shabda Parampara, right? Pronunciation. Any question? Sorry. So the Shabda Parampara they followed, their pronunciation, though it is Shaka Baddha, sometimes each Shaka has a subtle variation. At least they have maintained it true to their Shaka. So sometimes the grammarians pick back the pronunciation rules from Vedic scholars because they are pronouncing it a certain way. They try to accept that and saying, yeah, that's how the thing is. Okay, Grinhan Yanam Arudavan. So the fellow Ravindra, he while holding his son, so grabbing his son, that sense also is there. He climbed up the vehicle. Arudavan climbed up Yanam vehicle. Karmapada. Shikshakaha grinhantaha is the Bahuvachana. Shikshakaha uttaram dadat kakshyataha gatavan. See, dadat, it's not dadan, dadat. So almost like Napumsaka Linga sound. Huh? So Shikshakah Uttaram Dadat Kakshyatah Gatavan. Giving the answer, the teacher left the classroom. Kakshyatah. Kakshyat. Bhagini?
Sir, one question, sir. That Grinhan you said, that is that anywhere related to Grahan, sir? Grahana, that word, sir?
Correct. Chandra Grahana means Chandra Suryam Grihnati iti Chandra Grahanam. Surya Grahanam, Kshamyatam. Suryasya Grahanam Chandrena Sambhavati iti Surya Grahanam. Chandrasya Grahanam Suryena Sambhavati. Suryena artat Chayaya. Bhumyah Chayaya. Parantu Chaya Suryasya Prabhavah iti Suryasya Chandram Grihnati iti. Tva Chaya Chandram Grihnati iti Chandra Grahanam.
Sure, thank you, sir.
Samyak.
There we are still saying Grahanam only. So,
but there is separation. Hakara comes out with an akara and nakara follows later. So there is no confusion of the attack and follow because there is no samyukta. They are separated out due to prakriya.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Shikshakah Uttaram Dadat Kakshyatah Gatavan Aitu. Sainikah Dandanayakat Bibhyat Pratigatavan. Nirgatavan Pratigatavan. So Sainikah, the soldier, Dandanayakat Bibhyat, fearing from the commander. Bibhyat, number 4. What is there? We will see later. Pratigatavan. He returned. Wherever he returned. Okay. Bibhyat, Bibhyatah. Dadat, Dadatah. Plural is Dadatah, Bibhyatah. Te Nutana. Actually, Bhiti, Bibhyat ityatra Dandanayakam iti syat. Tadapi shakyate. Upapada dvitiya api shakyate. Sainikah Dandanayakam Vidyat ityapi samanjasah prayogah iti prayah. विभक्ति प्रयोग अस्तु ते नूतन प्रकोष्ठे रज्जुं बध्नन्तः गीतवन्तः प्लूरल प्रयोग बध्नन् बध्नन्तः बन्धना see again Bhagini can notice this badhna bandhana reversal happens in some prakriya. Okay, so the dhatu is same bad dhatu which means to tie. So they Nutana Prakoshte in the new room, Rajjum Badnantaha, tying the rope, Geetavantaha, they sung. Now, this sentence may look very weird to those who don't know what is the normal culture. So don't be nonplussed by what is this tying the rope and singing. Okay. If you observe any Hindu Griha Pravesha Prakriya, you will see that the pujaris, they take a string, a whole roll of thread and tie it around all the new areas of construction. That bandhana. Okay. So, and they will do mantra singing as they do that. Specific mantras are there for the tact, so they do that. So that's what this is. Okay. That's why Nutana Prakoshte. So this is about that Griha Pravesha Prakriya. Te Nutana Prakoshte Rajjum Badnantah Geetavantah. Some kind of a invocation of God to protect this place, something like that. Nayakaha mitrasya kashtam janantah sahayam kritavantah. Notice the spelling of sahayam, double yakara. Okay, sometimes we will make hakara double because in Kannada or something we may have apabramsha. Sahayam, sahayam, how it is in Sanskritam. Yes, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, but this previous one, is it Bhagnantaha or Badhnantaha?
Badhnantaha. There is a print error. There should have been a whorl there with a gap, but I have written it correctly. Oh. Tying is not bug, it is badh only. Huh? Yeah.
Thank you.
Mahoday, what's the root word of this dhatu?
Bhad. Bhad. It may have some itaksharas and may have some badru or something, but bhad is the root stem. Yeah.
Bhad. Dhanyavada.
Mahoday, what is the meaning of Pratigatavan? Retreat.
Pratigatavan, Nirgatavan, similar. Pratigatavan
does it mean
might mean he went towards the commander, fearing him. Also, it can mean. Yeah. Doesn't mean Nirgatavan. It may mean he went towards the Dandanayaka also. Right?
Okay.
It could mean he returned back to the battlefield also. Correct. Prati gives the sense of he didn't run away. It is giving the sense of he went towards whatever was the required action due to the fear of the commander, something like that. I mean, due to other reasons, if he did it, it would have been better. But discipline is an important aspect of all this, so that has been highlighted. Anyway, we will see, guys. We can go into Tatparya of each of these sentences for a whole year. Let us just hold back a little bit. Just go into Vachyarthas. Nayakaha mitrasya kashtam janantah, knowingly. So Nayakaha plural, so janantah plural. As knowing, they did the help. Like that. Shishavaha mataram smarantah rudantah asan. Double kridanta, double shatru. See, there is no limit on how many you can stack in Sanskritam. Okay. Shishavaha mataram, the babies, the mother, smarantah, while remembering, rudantah, while crying, asan, they were there. So they were there crying and remembering their mothers or mother. Mataram, one mother, many kids. Okay, great mother. Te प्रतिवर्षं जन्मदिनोत्सवे रुग्णेभ्यः फलं ददतः आसन. See, dadat, dadatah, plural here, dadatah. Every year they in the utsava of the birthday, whatever, rugnebhyah, of their own maybe birthday, rugnebhyah, to the rogis, palam, fruit, giving, they were distributing the fruits. That sense comes. Janaha Vartaha Shrunvantaha Harshodgaram Kritavantaha. The people listening to the great news, whatever great news, hopefully, because they did Harshodgaram. So they did the Udgara, or the production of sound, with happiness. So wah wah, like that. Kritavantaha, they did. Shrunvantaha. Shrunvantaha. See here, Shrunvan, Shrunvantaha. They have given here. Okay. Andaha bittim grinhantaha. Grinhantaha. Again, attack is nakara. So grinhan we saw earlier here. Grinhan. So grinhantaha. So the blind, many blind people, bittim, the wall, grinhantaha, holding, while holding, all of them. Sopanani arudavantaha. The steps they climbed up. Karyakartarah karyam kurvantah geetam geetavantah. Happy fellows. All the workers work as they were doing, while they were doing the song they sang. Kauravaha janantah. Sorry. Kauravaha janantah api adharmam acharitavantah. So the Kauravas knowingly, janantah, knowingly api, in spite of knowingly too, that sense. Adharmam acharitavantah. They carried out adharma, destiny. Balaha sarpat bibhyatah dhavitavantah. So again, sarpam bibhyatah is possible, I think. Maybe sarpat is the vishesha of bhiti dhatu. I'll have to go cross check my vibhakti tables. Balaha sarpat bibhyatah dhavitavantah. So the boys, fearing the snake, with fearing continuous action, fearing the snake, they ran. As they feared the snake, they ran away. Of course, in English you translate slightly differently. You don't always get the Shatranta effect in English, but that's okay. So in Kannada you can definitely get it. ಹುಡುಗರು ಸರ್ಪದಿಂದ ಭಯಪಡುತ್ತಾ ಓಡಿದರು. ಭಯಪಡುತ್ತಾ is ಬಿಭ್ಯತಃ. भय होते हुए, like that. भय अनुभव करते हुए, something like that. My Hindi is so poor. Astu. In the previous lesson, you learned the Shatranta forms of regular verbs like gachan, piban, etc. Given here are the Shatranta forms of Vishesha Kriyapadani. Carefully read them and memorize. So I made a table for you guys. So kurvan, kurvantaha, shrunvan, shrunvantaha, kreenan, kreenantaha. So you guys can stay muted but pronounce after me when sometimes I do this. Don't unmute, otherwise it will create a ruckus. So kurvan, kurvantaha, shrunvan, shrunvantaha, क्रीणन् क्रीणन्तः, रुदन् रुदन्तः, शक्नुवन् shaknuvantaha. Janan, janantaha, knowingly. Prapnuvan, prapnuvantaha. Obtaining, as obtaining, in singular and plural. Grinhan, grinhantaha, as grabbing, as holding. Dadat, dadataha, while giving. Bhibyat, bhibyataha, as fearing. Smaran, smarantaha, as remembering, while remembering. This sense. Okay. In the 10th sentence above, dadat is Shatranta form. You may wonder why it is different from Patan. You have learnt about the grouping of roots into 10 ganas, dasha ganaha, vadi, churadi, tudadi, those things. The Shatranta forms of the roots of the third gana do not have the nakara. They don't have nakara. They have nakara lopa. So if it belongs to the third gana, the dhatu, nakara won't be there. So if you go to the dhatu pata in the ashtadhyayi.com, though Shatranta is not listed there, you can find out the dhatu's gana as third gana. Immediately know nakara should not be there in the Shatranta. Hence the form dadat. The plural of the same will be dadataha. Similarly, bibyat, dadat, dadat, etc. There is no nakara. Dadat is in the dharana. Okay. Dadat is in the giving. Dadat dane, dadat probably dharanayam, something like that. If you see the artha of the dhatu. To where? Yeah, see here. I have dha dhatu. Okay. This same gana, this third gana also has the vishesha that there is a duplication of the first letter in a sense. Dadataha. Okay. Da dhatu, lower da dhatu, but dadataha is the form. Similarly, dha dhatu, dadat is the form. So there is that alpaprana duplication of the first attack letter is a characteristic of the third gana. So the third gana has many idiosyncrasies which we have to be knowledgeable about. The plural forms of all the irregular verbs used in the above sentences are given in the exercises below. So giving, being afraid, climb we saw already. So lat, karoti, kurvanti, shatru, kurvan, kurvantaha. Lat, dadati, dadati. See, even in lat he is having special forms. Dadati, dadati. Dadati sounds like ekavachana, but that is plural. Dadati, okay, what is akara? That isn't too bad, but has a dirgha. So da is as is there, but here it is shortening. Dadati, dadati. Actual dhatu is da, but the hrisva has happened here. Shatru, dadat, dadataha. Both places the hrisva went away. But definitely no nakara. Okay. What is the time? We are doing okay. A little bit we will do this abhyasa so that we feel good that we covered a little bit of the first lesson and call it a day for today for your lunch break. Adastana kriyapadanam bahuvachanantam rupam drishtva shatranta pullingaika vachanantam rupam likata. Okay. Adastana of the below kriyapadanam, the kriyas, bahuvachanantam ending with bahuvachana, rupam drishtva, forms having seen, shatranta pullingaika vachananta rupam likata. You remember earlier we were taught the bahuvachana lat form is helpful to identify the ekavachana shatranta form. So kurvanti, kurvan, like that. Okay. Already the prakriya that has to happen for the dhatu due to its gana vyavastha somewhat has happened. So use that, like that they are saying. That principle continues. Okay. Karoti, kurvanti, kurvan. So we get help from the lat. So you guys can now crowdsource the rest of the answers. Shrunoti, shrunvanti, shrunvan, shrunvantah. Badnati, badnanti, badnantah. Roditi, rudanti, rudantah. See rudanti, how different from roditi? Okay, roditi, rudanti, rudantah. But rudan is derived exactly from lat bahuvachana. So you can actually find the let bahuvachana forms in ashtadhyayi.com for ruddhatu. So it's easy enough to derive the ekavachana forms, and from that
rodati is wrong, is it? Rodati is a wrong application of
looks like roditi is the correct word. Yes, rodati is a wrong is a ashuddha prayoga. Roditi. Actually, earlier it came, no, this Rod Shishu, how it was here? Shishavaha Mataram Smarantaha Rudantaha. Okay, we had only Shatranta there, so we don't know. Yeah, so Shishuhu Roditi, not Rodati. Yeah. Smatam. Shaknoti, Shaknuvanti. Shaknuvantaha. Janati, Jananti.
Janantah.
Very good. Janan, Janantah. Krinati, Krinanti.
Krinantah.
Very good. Krinan, Krinantah. Now it's a game. Apnuvanti, Apnuvan, Apnuvantah.
Grinhanti.
Grinhantah. Dadati, Dadat. No nakara, so we just take out the ikara. Dadat, Dadatah. So now they have given slightly, they have actually what we already did, na? We did Eka and Bahu. Here they are asking us to do Eka and Bahu for some other same and some new ones. Okay, very easy exercise. You guys can try it at home. Okay, so we will call it a day with this, and let us gather back tomorrow to continue with a little bit of this exercise. Okay, and continue into the plunging into the lesson. Ravi Shankar Varya, is there a question?
Yes, Mahodaya. So Roditi seems to be correct. Latlakara Pratama Purushi Ekavachan is Roditi.
That's what Mahodaya was asking. Normally we make the mistake of saying Rodati. It is Roditi. That's what he was carefully noticing. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
He was not telling Rodati is the correct form. He was actually highlighting, look, we all make the mistake of saying Rodati. I agree with him. I also make the mistake. Everything is like that. So Roditi is the correct form. Let us remember. He was reminding us. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya.
Yes.
Mahodaya. Rakshadi, Rakshan, Rakshadaha ya Rakshandaha.
Rakshantaha. Rakshan, Rakshantaha.
Okay, Mahodaya.
So similarly in the word Prithvi, so the small ikara comes.
All because of apabhramsha in mother tongue we do Prithvi like
that. We keep saying Prithvi.
And we sometimes take the thakara and attach it to vakara, which is incorrect. Prithvi. But Prithvi is also there. Prithvi is also a form. Prithvi is also a form.
Okay, I just came across that, so I just related it
very
to this.
Correct. This ikara apabhramsha happens a lot. Yeah.
And one more question.
Tatsama tadbhava problems. Yeah.
Okay, will we be doing any more kridantas this semester?
Oh, madam, we are only going to do Shatrushanan largely, but there towards the end some few things come, as I remember. There is this, especially one of them Mahodaya asked, no, conversion from Shatru to Twanta to Shatru, all those things might come.
All right, thank you.
Kartum gacchati gachan karoti, something like that. Conversions.
Mahodaya, for dayati, dayantaha, is it? If we want
Dayate is the lat.
No, Shatru Pratyanta. Dayate. Is it Dayan?
Dayan.
Dayantaha, is it?
Dayan Dayantaha. We saw now in one of the forms, or we saw it in Sandhi, I think. We didn't see that in this list. Yeah.
That is somewhat sounding similar to this Dadat for me. So will it become Dayat or something like that?
See what finally, even if it is Atmanepadi Dhatu, Dayate, Dayete, Dayante, sorry, not Mahaprana, Dayante, Dayan only results by removing the te. So Dayan is the form that emerges in Shatra. So you have to take out the thing Pratyayanta final and take the remaining form as Dayan. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So let's call it a day. So we will see tomorrow with this slide. Okay. Thank you very much.
Dhanyawada Mahodaya.
Namaste.